Hello everyone, welcome to PROWRITINGAID. So what exactly is this tool? It's an AI tool that basically helps us write. Here they focus differently. Usually AI tools target SEO articles with keywords and such, but this one's clearly more geared towards storytelling. Look, they offer deep analysis with feedback, more novel focused. I found it intriguing. I don't write novels, but I've never seen a tool like this. I review hundreds monthly and this really caught my eye. I wanted to share it as it might be hard to find otherwise. Here you can see how this tool isn't for those who can't write, but for writers themselves, okay? It's by writers for writers. They say, our story began with a problem in London in 2012. Our founder wanted to write a novel but struggled with his own questions. This tool solved that problem, allowing him to discover his passion, right? 10 years on, it's helped over 2 million people become great storytellers. Got it? I really like the page's aesthetics, so let's log in to show you the interface briefly. I won't go into detail, but I'll give a quick overview of what's interesting. This is literally the interface, similar to ChatGPT's layout. You create a new doc, upload one, or start from scratch and begin writing. So that's PROWRITINGAID for you. How can we start writing our first novel? Okay, with PROWRITINGAID. Basically, we have different sections. There's a dictionary section to add words that might not be in the standard vocabulary. Documents for uploading or accessing our files. When we click New Doc, or ready to make your writing shine, we can upload a file or start from scratch. So I'll start from scratch. I'll write a test message. Now I'll generate with, look, they give us an example. It shows a sample. We have 39% grammar and spelling. This is the example they've given me. Here they basically correct you. Not sure if it updates there. 36%, but 36% of what? Of errors, I assume. They encourage using premium. There it is, see? The less they have, the better. As you can see, AI is used to correct us. It doesn't have to be AI necessarily. We can rephrase sections to improve the text. It highlights what we can change ourselves. Here are premium suggestions like passive verb. It says, try to use an active verb. Click right to edit and adjust parts. Goals are at 73%, so we'd improve a bit. I'll try to finish enhancing everything. I've improved what it suggested a bit. It even shows pronouns, gender, etc. Dictionary, cliches, writability. We can buy premium, which seems right. It lets us review, turn review on or off. It says 15, not sure if it's 15 seconds or errors. Probably 15 errors. It gives us feedback. That's really interesting. We use this drop down to get a chapter critique. In 10-15 seconds, we get feedback, which is cool for getting opinions. Strengths, potential, conclusions, clarity, cohesion, organization, evidence, support, and writing style. It gives a brief analysis. I can't make more critique. We can get a summary, style evaluation, or style improvement. Grammar, basically writing errors. This can be improved. These are all tools for improvement, as you can see. There's not much to write about. It's mainly aimed at writers. Let's see, we hit reload and indeed no more grammar errors. Rephrase. There we see a bit of all the... Just because it's suggested doesn't mean you must rephrase. We have the thesaurus offering more rephrasing alternatives. Let's see, yes, rephrase the whole sentence. Check for overused words, that's also possible. And merge our reports into one. That is all at once. Well, it might be too much, but you can view all reports together. You can check repeated words, echoes, and similar phrases. So, the tool is quite intuitive. That's how to use the platform. And I find it very interesting.